moved over to the large 72-foot wall that was behind the reception desk, using the same film as before. Now, originally this wall didn't exist, which was pretty cool. The museum actually constructed a large drywall surface in front of the entire original museum limestone building itself.
The other interior walls are very similar to the larger interior wall. We ended up just starting at the left where the archway was and continuing all the way down to the right. The whole process for that took about a day and a half to complete.